Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. There are two additional documents that appear on the court docket in Idaho versus Koberger. One is a motion, which is an application or a request for a court order granting whatever relief or remedy that the party is asking for in the motion, and the other is the court order on the motion. The first of the two documents filed June 27th, 2025 that appears on the court docket today is motion to seal second notice of filing defendant's additions, objections to the juror questionnaire. And it reads as follows: comes now Brian C. Koberger by and through his attorneys of record, and hereby moves the court for an order to seal the second notice of filing of defendant's additions/objections to the juror questionnaire. This motion is made pursuant to ICAR 32I, which is a rule of court, and IC sections 74.1241B and C, which is a statute, because they are either previously already sealed or are redacted. Dated this 27th day of June 2025, signed Ann C. Taylor, lead counsel to Brian Koberger. If I could make a few points here, ladies and gentlemen, it's quite compelling to me why the defense is filing a second notice of additions/objections to the juror questionnaire pursuant to Judge Stephen J. Hippler's October 9th, 2024 pretrial and trial order at page number 3 under the section regarding juror questionnaires. The parties, the state and the defense, were court ordered to file under seal their proposed substance for the jury questionnaire and their objections to the other side submissions on March 24th and March 31st, respectively. So one wonders why it is that nearly 3 months after the deadline for the filing of anything related to the juror questionnaires, what would motivate the defense to file further additions and or further objections? The jury questionnaires are extremely important. This is going to be used, whatever it is, it's under seal, whatever final version that may be given to the jurors who will be required to come to the Ada County Courthouse on a date unknown and fill them out as a preliminary step in the very important selection of this jury. The other issue I wanted to bring to your attention is that it's not that anything having to do with jury questionnaires are either previously already sealed or are redacted. Nothing's redacted. Everything having to do with the jury questionnaire is under seal, even down to the date that they will be administered to the potential jurors. The other item that appears on the docket today is the court order from Judge Hippler on this matter. The court, now having this motion before him, has on the 30th of June 2025 rendered an order sealing the second notice of filing of defendant's additional objections to the juror questionnaires, and it states that the court having before it the motion to seal the second notice of filing defendant's additions, objections to juror questionnaire, and good cause appearing now, therefore, it is hereby ordered that the second notice of filing of defendant's additions and objections to the juror questionnaire shall be filed under seal pursuant to ICAR 32I and IC section 74.1241B and C, so ordered the 30th of June 2025, and there we see Judge Stephen J. Hippler's signature. So the motion has been granted. This matter continues to be under seal, the issue of the jury questionnaires, with the formal process of jury selection currently scheduled to occur on the 4th of August, 2025. This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.